teamLab. Phenomena Abu Dhabi is a permanent, immersive art museum in the Saadiyat Cultural District of Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It was created by teamLab, an internationally acclaimed interdisciplinary art collective from Tokyo, founded in 2001, known for blending art, science, technology, and nature to create experiential environments where art responds to you and its surroundings. Opened April 18th, 2025, as a major new cultural destination.
This artwork is kind of just like a sneak peek of what you're gonna see inside. So you can take pictures and videos, but make sure there's no flash, okay? You're gonna have a few more seconds with the artwork, then the video will play. Thank you, enjoy.
teamLab Phenomena Abu Dhabi. There are massive artworks in teamLab Phenomena Abu Dhabi. Some artworks involve the use of water. Remove your shoes at the locker area. Download the teamLab app for the best experience. Read descriptions of the artworks nearby. During peak times, reserve a numbered ticket via the app. Find a route to the artwork. Some areas are dark with uneven floors. Please be aware of your surroundings. For safety, please stay with your children at all times. Please respect other visitors. Do not run or talk loudly. Interact with the artworks, but do not touch those marked with this sign. No flash photography or any type of flashlight. Take your time and enjoy the moment.
Why Abu Dhabi? The museum anchors the city's Saadiyat Cultural District, part of the Emirates' strategy to become a world-class arts and culture hub, alongside landmarks such as Louvre Abu Dhabi and the upcoming Guggenheim and Zayed National Museums. Concept. Instead of static paintings or sculptures, the museum's artworks are environmental phenomena. Dynamic experiences are created by the environment, light, water, air, and your interaction. Unlike objects, they exist only within the space and context that produces them. teamLab Phenomena is open every day, from 10 in the morning until 10 at night. The last entry is usually around 8 p.m., giving you plenty of time to fully experience the installations. On weekday evenings from Monday to Thursday, the museum also hosts adults-only sessions, starting at 6 p.m. and running until closing. It is a quieter, more immersive way to explore the space. As with any major attraction, opening hours can change on special dates or holidays, so it's always a good idea to double-check your ticket or the official website before you go. Tickets for teamLab Phenomena are available in several categories. General admission for adults starts at around 150 dirhams. Youth tickets are slightly lower, and children's tickets are more affordable, making it a great experience for families as well. You may find different prices or special deals through third-party sellers depending on the time and availability. For those looking for something more exclusive, teamLab Phenomena also offers VIP experiences, including shared VIP visits or fully private tours with guided access and extra perks. Because entry is time-based and availability is limited, it's best to book your tickets online in advance to secure your preferred time slot.
Right guys, this is what it is. Sorry, my flashlight's battery is gone.
That's okay.
Alright. So stay low all the way through. Thank you so much.
Sections and experiences. Unlike traditional museums with fixed rooms and static artworks, teamLab Phenomena unfolds as a continuous journey. There's no single path to follow. Instead, you move freely through a series of interconnected spaces where technology, movement, and the environment blend into a single living experience. Here, art isn't something you simply look at. It's something you walk through, influence, and become part of. Environmental phenomena. At the core of teamLab Phenomena is a simple but powerful idea. Art is not separate from its surroundings. These works don't exist as objects. They come into being through phenomena, through light, motion, water, air, and human presence. As you move through the space, the environment responds. The art shifts, transforms, and evolves, shaped by the moment and by the people inside it. Every step you take leaves a trace, and no two visits are ever exactly the same. Technology behind the experience. Behind the scenes, teamLab uses cutting-edge technology to bring these environments to life. Advanced digital projections, motion sensors, real-time tracking, and immersive sound systems work together to create spaces that respond instantly to your movement. Even the architecture is part of the artwork. Designed by teamLab architects, the building itself supports uninterrupted visual flow, allowing light, sound, and motion to move seamlessly from one space to the next. What you experience feels organic, but it's powered by complex computational systems working quietly in the background. Levitation and floating forms. Some installations feel almost alive. In spaces like the levitation void, forms appear to float effortlessly, suspended in midair. They respond to energy, proximity, and motion, rising, falling, or shifting as visitors approach. It's less like watching an artwork and more like encountering a living system of light and force. Interactive creative zones creativity also plays a central role in the experience. In interactive zones like the Sketch Factory, visitors are invited to create their own designs. Once completed, these sketches come to life, animated, projected, and released into the surrounding environment. Your artwork becomes part of the exhibition, interacting with others and continuing its journey long after you've moved on. Artistic rest spaces. Even moments of rest are woven into the art. Spaces like the Lamp Tea House and Cafe are designed as immersive environments of their own, with soft lighting, ambient sound, and carefully crafted atmospheres. Here, slowing down is part of the experience, a quiet pause inside a constantly moving world. Biocosmic and nature-inspired rooms. Throughout the museum, many installations draw inspiration from nature. You'll encounter flowing particles, birds, and organic forms that move like living ecosystems. These environments continuously evolve, reacting not just to individuals, but to the collective presence of everyone inside. It's a reminder that everything is connected: people, space, and the unseen systems that shape our world. teamLab Phenomena is located on Al Saadiyat Island, within Abu Dhabi's Cultural District, an area dedicated to art, architecture, and world-class cultural landmarks. The museum sits among some of the city's most iconic institutions, making it an easy and natural stop during a visit to Abu Dhabi. Getting there from Abu Dhabi. If you're already in Abu Dhabi, reaching teamLab Phenomena is quick and straightforward. A taxi or ride-hailing service will usually get you there in about 15 to 25 minutes from the city center. For those driving, the route to Saadiyat Cultural District is simple and well signposted, with parking and valet services available on site. Public transportation is also an option. Local buses run towards Saadiyat Island, and with a short walk at the end, you'll arrive directly at the museum. Getting there from Dubai. Traveling from Dubai takes a bit more planning, but it's still very accessible. If you're driving or taking a taxi, the journey usually takes between 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on traffic. The route follows major highways, offering a smooth drive across the Emirates. While a taxi is the most direct option, it is also the most expensive. By bus from Dubai. A more budget-friendly option is the Inner Emirates bus. Buses run frequently from Dubai's Al Ghubaiba bus station to Abu Dhabi's Central bus station. From there, a short taxi ride will take you to Saadiyat Island. In total, the journey by bus and taxi usually takes between 2 and 3 hours. Guided tours and transfers. For an effortless experience, many travel providers offer guided tours or private transfers from Dubai. These options often include transportation to and from the museum and sometimes your entry ticket, making them ideal if you prefer a seamless, worry-free visit. Tips before you go. Once inside, plan to spend at least 2 to 3 hours exploring. There's no fixed route, and the installations change as you move through them, so taking your time is part of the experience. Wear comfortable clothing and flat shoes. Some areas involve shallow water, and you'll be on your feet for most of the visit. Lockers are available for personal items. Photography is welcome throughout the museum, but the lighting and motion can be intense in certain spaces. So take breaks when needed and move at your own pace.
Yeah, because now they are performing. That's why you need to stand here and watch the performance. That's why they call it performing. So then after they will all come this side.
Alright, okay guys. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome guys to Floating Microcosms. So before you go inside, we have some safety rules. Please touch the artwork gently because they are breakable. No punching, no kicking, or no spinning of the artwork. Please walk slowly. The water below the knee. Once you're done, please exit on the other side. Okay guys, enjoy the moment.
Interactive water and wet zones. In some areas, the experience becomes physical. Shallow water covers the floor, reflecting light and motion around you. As you walk, ripples form beneath your feet. Digital particles drift away, and shadows react to your presence. The boundary between the digital and the real begins to dissolve as water, light, and movement merge into a single environment. Light and motion rooms. Other spaces are filled entirely with light. Flowing patterns, floating forms, and constantly shifting colors surround you from every direction. These rooms respond to your movement. As you walk, pause, or turn, the artwork changes around you. The art isn't playing on a loop, it's evolving in real time, shaped by how people move through the space. teamLab Phenomena is a space where art, technology, and human presence come together to create something that exists only in the moment. Every step, every movement, and every interaction becomes part of the artwork itself, making each visit unique, personal, and impossible to repeat in exactly the same way. If you ever find yourself in Abu Dhabi, this is an experience worth slowing down for and fully stepping into. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more experiences from around the world.